Operation Theatre and Anesthesia Technology in SNS College. Today we will explore the structure and function of brain, one of the most complex and fascinating organs in the human body. The brain is responsible for controlling our thoughts, emotions, movements and functions. The brain structure will be explained by Darshini.
It is divided into several distinct regions including the cerebrum, cerebellum and brainstem. Let's take a closer look at each of these regions and their functions. Cerebrum. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and is responsible for processing sensory information, controlling movement and managing higher level cognitive functions. Cerebellum. The cerebellum is located at the base of the brain and is responsible for coordinating movements, balance and posture. Brainstem. The brainstem connects the cerebrum to the spinal cord and regulates many of our automatic functions such as breathing, heart rate and blood pressure. Cerebrum. The cerebrum is divided into two hemispheres, the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere. Each hemisphere has four lobes: frontal, parietal, temporal and occipital. Frontal lobe. The frontal lobe is responsible for executive functions such as decision making, planning and problem solving. Parietal lobe. The parietal lobe is involved in processing sensory information related to touch and spatial awareness. Temporal lobe. The temporal lobe plays a critical role in processing auditory information and memory. Occipital lobe. The occipital lobe is primarily responsible for processing visual information. Cerebral cortex. The cerebral cortex is the outer layer of the cerebrum and is responsible for processing sensory information, controlling movement and managing higher level cognitive functions. Let's explore the different areas of the cerebral cortex and their functions. Primary motor cortex. The primary motor cortex is responsible for controlling voluntary movements. Primary sensory cortex. The primary sensory cortex is involved in processing sensory information from the body. Association areas. Association areas are involved in higher level cognitive functions such as attention, perception and memory. Basal ganglia and limbic system. The basal ganglia are a group of structure that plays a critical role in movement, control and cognition. The limbic system is a network of structures that are involved in emotion, motivation and memory. Basal ganglia. The basal ganglia are involved in regulation of movements and the formation of habits. Limbic system. The limbic system is involved in process of emotions, motivation and memory. Brainstem. The brainstem connects the cerebrum to the spinal cord and regulates many of our automatic functions such as breathing, heart rate and blood pressure. Let's explore the functions of each part of the brainstem. Midbrain. The midbrain is involved in the auditory and visual processing. Pons. The pons plays a critical role in controlling sleep and arousal. Medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata regulates many of our automatic functions such as breathing and heart rate. Cerebellum. The cerebellum is located at the base of the brain and is responsible for coordinating movement, balance and posture. Let's take a closer look at the structure and functions of cerebellum. Cerebellar hemisphere. The cerebellar hemisphere are involved in the coordination of movement. Cerebellar villus. The cerebellar villus is involved in regulation of posture and balance. Cranial nerves. The cranial nerves are the group of 12 nerves that arise from the brain and control various functions such as vision, hearing, taste and movement. Let's explore each of the cranial nerves and their functions. Olfactory nerve. The olfactory nerve is responsible for transmitting sensory information related to smell. Optic nerve. The optic nerve is responsible for transmitting vision. The oculomotor nerve controls eye movement. Clinical significance. Understanding brain anatomy is essential for diagnosing and treating neurological disorders such as stroke, Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Knowledge of brain anatomy is also important for surgical procedures such as brain tumor removal and deep brain stimulation. Conclusion. In conclusion, the anatomy of brain is a complex and fascinating. From the cerebrum to the brainstem, each part plays a vital role in controlling our thoughts, emotions and functions. Thank you for joining.